The Secretariat of the Southern African Development Community, SADC, is pleased to announce the winners of the 2024 SADC Media Awards, the Tertiary Institution Essay Competition, and the Secondary School Essay Competition. In the 2024 Secondary School Essay Competition, learners from the SADC member states were given a topic on which to write an essay of at least 1,000 words. The topic for the 2024 SADC Essay Competition was, "How can human and financial capital drive industrial development in the SADC region?" The three regional winners of the 2024 Secondary School Essay Competition are as follows. The third prize of $750 United States goes to Ms. Hlompo Mokenela from the Kingdom of Lesotho. The second prize of $1,000 United States goes to Ms. Emilia Kabungo Nsanta from the Republic of Zambia. Mr. Leloko David Santi from the Kingdom of Lesotho is the overall winner of the 2024 SADC Secondary School Essay Competition, and he receives a prize of $1,500 United States. In the 2024 Tertiary Institution Essay Competition, learners from the SADC member states were given a topic to write an essay of 4,000 words. The topic for the 2024 Tertiary Institution Essay Competition was, "What, in your opinion, has SADC achieved since its formation, and does it reflect the vision of its founders?" The three regional winners of the 2024 Tertiary Institution Essay Competition are as follows. The third prize of $1,000 United States goes to Ms. Ntswaki Susan Kolumo from the Kingdom of Lesotho. The second prize of $1,500 United States goes to Ms. Hlalefang Juliet Limisa, also from the Kingdom of Lesotho. Mr. Daniel Kawonga from the Republic of Malawi is the overall winner of the 2024 Tertiary Institution Essay Competition, and he receives a prize of $2,000 United States. In the 2024 SADC Media Awards, after a selection by adjudicators at national level, 22 journalists qualified for the regional competition. There are 4 categories in the SADC Media Awards: photo, print, television, and radio journalism categories. The first prize winner receives $2,500 United States and the second prize winner receives $1,000 United States in each of the 4 media categories. In the print journalism category, Mr. Joseph Banda from the Republic of Zambia was the second prize winner and received a prize of $1,000 United States. Ms. Deborah Musanyare Matabvu of the Republic of Zimbabwe emerged as the first prize winner and received a prize of $2,500 United States. In the television category, Mr. Hernani Correa from the Republic of Angola won the second prize of $1,000 United States, and Mr. Leswana Moeti from the Kingdom of Lesotho won the first prize of $2,500 United States in this category. In the radio journalism category, Mr. Benjamin Moshatama from the Republic of South Africa was the second prize winner and received $1,000 United States, and Mr. Leswana Moeti from the Kingdom of Lesotho won the first prize of $2,500 United States. In the photo category, Ms. Fikile Nectar Marakala from the Republic of South Africa received the second prize of $1,000 United States, and Mr. Handa Kudakwashe from the Republic of Zimbabwe received the first prize of $2,500 United States. Congratulations to all the winners for winning the 2024 SADC Media Awards, Tertiary Institution Essay Competition, and the Secondary School Essay Competition. Let's join hands with the SADC Secretariat in promoting and deepening regional integration, cooperation, and development.